Hi guys, this is Saswat and you're watching Life and Mocktails. One of the reason you're watching this video is you have your exam in the next 2 to 3 months, and I hope this video help because this is one additional thing that has helped me during my preparation days. So I absolutely wish that this video and whatever I say helps you as well. So please stick to the end of the video. Now this big battle is about winning small battles every day, and that is what exactly defines how are you gonna perform in your last day. And cheerleaders are gonna help you in the small battles every day, because you know how cheerleaders are. They are not performing entirely during the match. They're there for some specific point of the match, and but they do their job. So I know how rough the preparation phase are, because I have been there, you are there, and you know how it is. And all you want to hear sometimes is you can do it, tu kar lega yaar. And that is enough to get you going. Like, it is not exactly that one thing you want to hear, but there are things like this. This is just an example that helps you get going. So here is an example of what has happened with me. So this friend of mine, he cleared his exam before me, and I had no intention or any target that I set in my mind that I would want this much mark or anything. But he did not himself get the mark he wanted for me. And the reason is this exam that has this minimum baseline of qualification. So he wanted me to have that, but I never thought of that. He did, and my marks, if you don't know, this is my mark. So this small manifestation that your cheerleaders, your true friends are gonna manifest for you might work, should work, and will work, I guess, because this is the live example. I mean, I had no idea what I would even. I was happy with my just passing the exam, but this has got me the mark now I have. So some things that your friends, your cheerleaders are gonna say might seem very useless to you. I mean, you'd say कि इससे क्या होगा, what is gonna happen with this? But that would make sense slowly, eventually, when you're closer to your exam. This has happened with me, and I'm gonna say you that please trust what your friends, your good friends, are gonna trying to tell you. So this is what I wanted to convey you all. Please have your cheerleaders, not too many of them, very few. Exactly how cheerleaders are sometimes in your preparation days, very few of them, very honestly supporting you. That is all you need for your exam. And there, I know I have tried to keep myself away from people. Do that, but choose your specific cheerleaders, and be around them, keep them around you. They can be anyone, including you yourself. You yourself can be one of your cheerleader. Tell yourself that tu kar lega, you can do it, and you will do it. Here to them when they want to reach you, because me during my exam I wanted to stay away from people, but yeah, not all of them. So I kept very few people around myself, and who would honestly cheer me up. So yeah, and if you want one additional cheerleader anytime during your preparation days, this is where you can find me, and you can text me anytime. I would try to reply you as soon as I see this message. And so this is gonna be the end of the video. Be my cheerleader as well, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep me motivated to make videos for you. If you did not like anything about this video, please drop down your comments. And yeah, it would be my pleasure to be a good part of your journey. So keep smiling throughout your preparation days, and smile harder on your exam days. Thank you, and see you in the next video.